Hey sweeties, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we've uploaded a video, but we have a nail video for you guys today. So Madam Glam sent over some new polishes, and if y'all notice, the bottles are very much different. These are from their House of Change collection, and they were made in Korea. And just like their other polishes, these polishes are still vegan. They are cruelty free, 21 free, and palm oil free. So that just means that they took out 21 of the most harmful chemicals out of their formula, and they don't use their products on animals, which is pretty good. So the colors I chose were Magnetic, Virgo, Night on Mars, and Focus. The first one here is the Magnetic. So I'm just swatching each color. This color here is super pretty, y'all. I really like it, and I feel like it's given summer, but more so fall. Like all of these colors to me are given fall colors. But that's the Magnetic. It's super pretty. The polish, just like the other polishes, they glide on the nail pretty smooth. Now this one is a little bit thinner than the other collections that we have tried on this channel, but I like it. And the packaging is so aesthetically pleasing. Like that gold top is to die for. However, it's all about what's in the bottle. And the polishes, the colors, they are super pretty. Now, my lighting, I have to get better lighting because the lighting that I have right now is definitely not giving this Night on Mars. It's shine, like it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Now, it looked brown, however, it's more so on the orangey side. Like this will pair perfectly with the Magnetic color that we just swatched previously, but it's so pretty. The glitters are so there, they are shining, and it's like fine glitter. It's not super chunky where it will be textured or anything like that, but I feel as though it's super pretty. Now, the next color we have is called Focus. It's not a bright yellow, y'all. It's more so on the mustard side. It's given very much fall, just like the first two colors. But don't y'all know how when at a certain time, like right now, within the year, people are so hype about pumpkin and the fall and harvest time, Halloween. I don't celebrate Halloween, but y'all know what I mean. People are ready for the fall. They're ready for the seasons to change, the weather to change. They want to bring out their hoodies and everything. So these colors would be perfect for right now and later on throughout the year when a season does actually change. But the polish is so pigmented. It's so pretty. I feel as though you still would need 2 coats. Now, the other collections that we had, like the House of Norwich and the previous ones before then, they didn't, to me, in my opinion, they didn't need more than 1 coat. If you just cover the nail pretty good where it won't be streaky, then you will be fine. However, the House of Change collection, to me, definitely does need a 2nd coat. And the last color we have is called Virgo. This is a pretty blue, and this is the color that we chose to use in today's set, only because of the other Madam Glam polishes that I have. I was trying to see what polishes would go better with these, like in collaboration with them, just to incorporate another Madam Glam product and just to incorporate another color. But I would have to say my favorite is the Magnetic. That would be my favorite color out of this collection. So this is how the nails are looking with the first coat. You're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds and then just go in with a 2nd coat, just so we could get the full effect of how each polish looks on the nail and how pigmented they actually are. So y'all, this is a girly lifestyle DIY channel. So if you like all things in those categories, whether it's shopping, doing things yourself, doing your own hair, nails, makeup, you know, self-care, things like that, definitely consider subscribing and leave some comments because I do respond to each and every comment. I love talking to y'all. So yeah, join the channel and become a sweetie. I would greatly appreciate that. So we went ahead and applied the 2nd coat, and this is how it's looking. It's definitely a difference. That's why I said that this House of Change definitely need a 2nd coat because you can't really see through them anymore. They were very transparent with just the first coat alone. But now we are just going in with a top coat, of course, from Madam Glam. And y'all, I will mention that I do have a discount code with Madam Glam if you guys are considering purchasing any products, or want to build up your nail polish collection. I started off buying polishes from Amazon, and when I say I don't use those polishes anymore, I really don't. So if you are interested in starting like your own collection, or wanting to do your own nails, or wanting to start a business with press-ons, then definitely invest in some high quality products. It really goes a long way. So if their prices are too much for you or don't fit your budget, I do have a discount code, and I will put that on the screen as well as in the description box below. But we're going to go ahead and make our set. I am just sizing my nails with these full coverage tips that I got off Amazon. And these aren't like the ones that I normally use. For one, they are longer, and I'm going to keep them long just for the purposes of this video. And they aren't like the other ones that I use. Like, I have to buff these down just to get that shine off. So I'm going to go ahead and buff these down, get the shine off, and go in with the Madam Glam base coat. Now, you won't see me doing every nail, like all 5 nails, because I am making a TikTok as well. I did create a TikTok page for my press-ons, strictly for press-ons, because like y'all said, I should start a press-on nail business. So I'm really considering it. So I'm just practicing for now. I don't want to just sell anybody anything. But if y'all want to follow my new TikTok page, I'll link that down below. It's called Teaunca. So yeah, y'all, I uploaded 2 videos. I'm so hyped. But anyway, y'all, I'm just dusting that down, getting the debris off, and like I said, going in with the Madam Glam base coat, and we're going to cure that for 30 seconds as well. And I also just want to take this time here to thank Madam Glam for considering me for a collaboration and sending over these products. I really love each and every product that I have been sent thus far, and I really hope that we can continue to work together. All right, y'all. So I base coated every nail. So we're going to go in with the Madam Glam Pink Builder Gel. I love this, and I don't know if it's just super thick or what, but I think I'm almost out. And I may need some more of this Madam Glam. I don't know. I don't know. But I really love this base coat. It is super, super pretty. Like I said, it is thick, so you don't need a lot on each coat. But I did do 2 coats. And like I said, I have a TikTok, so I'm recording a video for a TikTok. So you'll only see me doing probably 3 or 4 of the nails and just saving 1 for TikTok. But then coats of this, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. And I'm curing for 60 seconds simply because the polish is thick, and I want the whole nail to be cured and not just all of the polish to be cured and not just the top layer. Because if you have too much polish on the nail and you go to cure it, the top layer of the polish only cures, and it would be like really wet underneath. So I just want to make sure that it is completely cured. So I'm just going to give it some additional time. All right, so we are going in with our design. I wanted to use this blue, the Virgo, only because I'm going to incorporate Madam Glam silver chrome paint with it, and I feel as though the silver looks better with the Virgo opposed to my favorite, the magnetic. I wish I had like a gold chrome. I really don't. I need to get some, but I wanted to use the chrome. I knew I wanted to use that because the last chrome polish set that I did, or the nail set that I did, it came out super, super cute, and they were on short nails. So I'll link that video down below just in case y'all want to check that out. But I just wanted another chrome set. Now this design, the squigglies, is simple, is nothing to it. I'm not thinking about where I want the squiggles to be. I'm literally just drawing on the nail. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just let this part play out. It's very self-explanatory. You literally just put the squiggles or put the blob of color wherever you want it and fill it in. I am going to do 2 coats. Like I said, this polish definitely does need 2 coats. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats, cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. And then we'll go ahead and do the 3D with the rhinestone glue. All right, y'all. So now that that part is over, we're going to go in with the rhinestone glue and the Madam Glam Silver Chrome Gel Paint. So if y'all checked out my chrome nail video, my last one, you know that this rhinestone glue, it has to be firm. It cannot be watery or runny. So make sure you store it in like a temperatured area where it's not too hot because it will melt. But anyway, I'm just following the outline of the squiggly that I drew with the blue polish. So once you have your squiggly outline or your chrome part outline or the glue outline, I don't know what I'm trying to say, y'all. Once you have that part outlined with the rhinestone glue, you want to go ahead and cure that. Now, there are times where you may have to go back and, put more rhinestone glue just to give it that 3D effect. But I did the second nail one side off camera and then the other side on camera. But yeah, I'm just doing my 3 little nails for y'all, and then I'm gonna do my other nail for TikTok. But cure it for 30 seconds or 60 seconds depending on how much glue you put on there. And then once that's cured, you go ahead and you just paint it over with the with the chrome paint. Now, you can use the chrome powder, but I feel like the paint is so much easier. And I'm not just saying that because I have it on hand. I honestly feel like it's easier, like in regards to cleanup, application, and everything. The only difference is I feel like it does take a little bit more time to do the paint opposed to the powder. But if you time yourself doing the paint versus the powder and you include the cleanup, I promise you it'll probably come up to the same time. But anyway, I'm just going over the 3D with the chrome and I'm going to cure that. I am going to do a second coat and then we're going to top coat it. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. We are going to apply these nails, and the way that we're going to apply these nails is different than what we usually do, only because I have another video to record and I didn't do a full set with this. I just did one hand. But that's how they're looking. Pretty cute. That's the top coat that we're using from Madam Glam, of course. I'm doing a thin layer and then curing it. But I'm going to let this part play out and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So the nails are done. I'm just going to go ahead and file off that little tab at the top and just make them a bit more square. And then we're going to apply them. And instead of using nail glue, I'm just going to be using the nail tabs just for the purposes of this video. But y'all know, if I was keeping these on, I would be putting my KDS nail glue or my pink nail glue. I still haven't gotten those glues that my sweeties have recommended to me, y'all. This pregnancy has been grinding my gears, y'all. I'm in the third trimester now, and my morning sickness came back. I am super tired. I can't get comfortable when going to sleep. So I have put off a lot of things. So I promise y'all, I'm going to get back on track. It's just, this pregnancy is just taking a toll on my body right now. But anyway, like I said, I'm just going to be using the nail tabs. And come to find out, they are pretty sturdy for the most part. Like, if you just want a little simple set just for the day, you can use these nail tabs. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm just going to apply them. And I'll use some cuticle oil. I think I do that off camera. But just applying them. The only difference is I do see air bubbles when it comes to the nail tab. So when you're applying them, you just want to take your time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But like I said, first I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank Madam Glam for sponsoring this part of the video. And also make sure you guys consider subscribing. Like I said, we lit over here. We do hauls, we do self-care, girly things, and we do nails. But yeah, y'all, she came out pretty cute. But thank y'all for watching. Bye.